you seeing that caused you to maybe weight things a little bit more toward this summer seasonality and be conservative in the guidance for Q3?
Well, John, we've had a great track record. At Max, as you know, we typically give color for the next year. We updated that in March as a result of what happened with the move towards Section 606. But from our point of view, we typically do not update our annual guidance at this time. We'll give more color in September for the Q4 quarter, as well as at Max give guidance for 2020. But as it relates to the fundamental business, when you think about digital media, ARR, and the entire creative space, we had a very strong quarter, over 400 million of ARR net new in Q2, which is a record for Q2. If you look at our targets for Q3, again in creative, they would be a record. 360 million is what we guided to in Q3. And so we believe that the momentum associated with everything that we're doing in the video space, everything that we're doing as it relates to what's happening for new platforms like YouTube continues to propel the business. Great products like Spark, which are available for the education segment, also continue to see demand. On the Acrobat side, the move from paper to digital continues unabated. We think we have the best products in terms of creating PDF for the mobile era. And then on the enterprise side, we grew the business 34% year over year on our revenue. We've done a good job of integrating Marketo and Magento.
Speaking of platforms, you said on the call, and I quote, previously we used to look at print and web as a platform. Now we even look at channels like YouTube as a platform. Get a little granular, if you will. Give me some color on how that changes the way you either work features, you gather data to figure out how Adobe can gain share on a platform like YouTube.
Well, this fundamental notion that drives us, John, in terms of the belief that everybody has a story to tell, we want to make sure that our tools and our services enable them to tell that story, taking full advantage of whatever medium they want to display that on. Mobile devices are different from how YouTube is, which is different clearly from what's going to happen with augmented reality and virtual reality. The presence of digital in a car is so different from what you might see in retail. And so we've been really rethinking how we deliver applications to make sure that we take significant advantage of the medium in which they're being consumed, as well as the medium on which it's being created. When you think about how people are creating this content, the fact that they are doing it increasingly on mobile devices and on tablets, thinking about touch, thinking about voice modalities. And it really provides our product teams with this amazing canvas on which they can innovate.